Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Criminals are on the run in Jamaica after the JCF has issued a Black Friday deal on their conviction. You hear when me I tell you the thing done up? Greetings, and salutations, all Jamaicans. Yo, send this to all of them Jamaicans and the United States. Listen at Christmas time again, and Jamaicans are on the rise looking for crime because them are looking for yams in things. So the government is out there and making sure that the foreigners them can come home, come spend up the money. While several business owners have stepped up their operations to attract more shoppers for the holidays, the police and high command is apparently launching their own campaign to bring in customers of their own in a different kind. Local authorities over the weekend rolled out a Black Friday deal, hooray, as part of the search for several members of the criminal underworld. Oh, you mean, what you say, 4 for 1, 40% off one? The initiative was amended and is encouraging more Jamaicans to share whatever information they have to lead to arrest of criminals who are continuing to wreak havoc across the island. Police source have explained the photos of 4 of these individuals were posted on Twitter page of Jamaica's constable force under the Black Friday deal. The move invoked much laughter amongst the social media users, some of whom have lauded the police for their creativity. The police, however, has warned that this initiative was a serious one. Don't forget our Black Friday deal. Report wanted man. More life and more joy, me I tell you, the JCF is being creative. And I love this. Ladies and gentlemen, if you see something, say something. Careful who you tell though. If you know something, call someone. 119, 113. You know who to be. Be anonymous. Cause you know what the criminal them know. Who tell upon them. But again, you have to tell, especially if your friend or your family get quang. Don't be scared. Listen, let's make Jamaica safe again. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of The Approach TV. Let you know the JCF has come up with a creative way for jumping at the criminal them chest. Them say what? Call in 119, call in 113. Go to your local police station. Call in, please, for me. Make Jamaica safe again. Especially if you're afraid again. Talk. Tell them. Me not tell yourself you be no fool. Because guess what? Me granny say if you keep out your mouth, keep your life. So you fi make sure you know what you do. See something? Say something. The Jamaican Constable Force is doing all they can. It takes the security of the community to live in harmony. So make sure if you value safety, security, good life, it's up to us all to get together and don't take no bribe. We want our country safe again. So the Jamaican Constable Force for the holiday, I said, them have them for you. Panny Black Friday special all the way back to January. Them want take them off the shelf. More life, more joy. Make me know what else we can do other than help out the people them that's trying to help you. And Rastafari Soldier, big up your family, your friends, and your crew. And most of all, big up you.